The fields of e-learning and instructional design has exploded over the last few decades. Since 2004, demand has been on the rise, up by more than 20% nationwide. Even before the catastrophic event of COVID-19, there was still a rapidly growing demand. While unemployment has been on the rise, postings of new advertisements for instructional designers, learning designers, and instructional technologists has been skyrocketing. In addition, for those universities that choose not to build but to buy this capability, there is an option to turn to companies that offer course development and instructional design support. Instructional design is one of the most vital aspects of e-learning, and without it, e-learning would just be text on a screen. Instructional design is the systematic practice of designing and developing instructional experiences similar to those of instructors. Instructional design is meant to aid in delivering a better learning experience for learners. It is a rewarding and satisfying career, not to mention the ever-growing need for qualified instructional designers in this digital age. Instructional designers are integral and necessary to the success in the e-learning space. The process usually involves knowing the learners, what they need, and assisting them by delivering engaging and effective training that meets their requirements. So next, I'll discuss with you why instructional design matters in e-learning. Good instructional design helps learners retain knowledge, no doubt, but good instructional design helps guide the learners towards achieving the learning goals of a course. Apart from that, it also helps them to acquire and retain the knowledge. The way visual graphics are presented in an online course can have a great impact on learners' retaining capability. It can also help learners connect information to prior mental strategies of learning. Research has it that the human brain tends to recall information more often through images, charts, and infographics than through text. Therefore, integrating infographics, images, and videos into your e-learning can help retain knowledge. Good instructional design makes learners engaged. One of the roles of an instructional designer is to make a thorough analysis of their learners before creating the online courses. This enables them to create learning activities that are relevant, engaging, and appealing to the learner. Also, a designer's understanding of their target audience is essential in order to know what motivates them to learn and retention abilities. This will help them to know exactly the kind of learning design that suits the learner's needs, hence using their skills to create an engaging learning experience. A good user experience contributes to the achievement of learning goals. One of the most important aspects of instructional design to consider during custom e-learning experience is the user experience, or UX. It defines how accessible an e-learning course is, and this has a direct impact on the learner's level of engagement. A better UX design is vital in the e-learning, as learners tend to lose the main goal of the course if it's not engaging. Also, with a bad UX design, learners tend to be distracted from achieving the aim of the course. For instance, not properly choosing a compelling color for your design will end up distracting and confusing your learners. Good instructional designs trigger learners to take action. One of the reasons why good design matters in e-learning is because it helps inspire learners to act and achieve more than expected. So the role of the designer is to come up with inspiring designs that help motivate the learners to acquire more knowledge. Inspiring designs can be difficult. However, you can achieve them if you have a better understanding of your target audience or learners.